Class sound तग्गिंచుకో
मैडम हम दिखते नहीं है वो जबकि हाल नहीं है वो खाली फोटो पूरा फंक्शन है बच्चे दिखते हैं
Students, please be quiet. Please name it, children. Please remove your phone names and name it. Sharvik, where is your book?
बैठ गए वो डब्बे में हिला ले आ गए
Good morning, students. It's time. It's already 12. Good afternoon. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let's your friends get join the class. As today is a science class, children, according to the schedule, today is a science. Okay, let's open your book at the page number 109. It is first lesson in the science. We have already started it. We have completed the lesson, children. Today, let's see the objectives. Today, let's see the evaluation part. Is it clear, children? If you have any doubts regarding the subjects, please text me, okay? In the more option, if you click the more, you'll have a chat option there. You can use this chat option and you can answer to my questions. This is a clear instruction for you, children. When I started asking questions for you, you have to send me the answers through the chat option. Very good, Charvik. And someone named iPhone 4S, please rename it. Please name it your, please keep it your name there. Everyone, please take your textbooks at page number 115 as page number 115. Okay, Ritesh has joined the class. Sai Swaroop, please turn on your video. Ritesh, Sai Swaroop, Mal Reddy, someone named as administrator, please turn on your video and name it, children. Name it yourself. Remove that phone names and name it by yourselves. Yatesh. Okay, children, let's start the session with the evaluate part objective type questions. Here is the first Roman in the first lesson, children. Page number 115. Open the book at page number 115. Okay. Okay, without any delay, let's start it out. First question, children. The green color pigment present in leaves of a plant is called. You have to answer me. Malreddy has some doubt, but please send me a chat, Nana. Through the chat, you can send the answer. Yes, Charvik has sent it is an option 1. Chlorophyll. Sai Swaroop also replied as chlorophyll. Let's see. Amrita is also selling it as A. Okay, once again, let me tell the options to children. The green color pigment present in leaves of a plant is called A. Chlorophyll, B. Lamina, C. Midrib, and D. None of the above. Okay, many of you has answered it is as 1. Let's check it. Let's submit it and check the answer, children. Yes, very good, children. Keep going, keep doing that. First option is the correct answer. Let's go for the second question. The main vein that turns through the center of a leaf is called. Think it, and answer me. A side vein, a midrib, stomata, or a leaf blade. What is the answer? We got a very different answers, children. Someone are telling it's 1, it is 3, 4, stomata. Children, listen the question carefully. See the question carefully. They are asking main vein that runs through the center. Side vein is a side one. Why it we call as a main vein? Stomata, we know that stomata is nothing but a small pores present underside of the leaf to exchange the gases. So it is not a vein, it is a small pore. So side vein and stomata are wrong answers. Coming for leaf blade. Leaf blade is also a wrong option, children. The central main vein is called a midrib. If you go for the structure of a leaf once, then you can come to a notice. Akshay, very good. He told it is a midrib. Okay, let's submit it and let's check it out. Yes, children, midrib is the correct answer. Midrib, which is nothing but it is the middle in the rib, middle of a leaf, which is the main vein. Coming to the third question, children. In plants, the exchange of gases takes place through. They have given 4 options, children. Chlorophyll, side veins, midrib, and stomata. Answer me quick. Just waiting for your answer, children. Check the options clearly and carefully. As chlorophyll. So Charvik is saying it's 2. Charvik, I thought you didn't noted the notes. 2 is not the answer because side veins. Through veins does the leaf breathe, children? What I told, with the help of dash, leaves breathe. Sai Swarup. Okay, many of you are telling side vein. Let me keep side vein and check the answer. No, side vein is the wrong answer, children. Side vein is not the correct answer. It is a wrong one. Let's show the answer. Stomata. In the previous question only, I told you that stomata are small pores present on leaves, which help the plant to exchange gases. Stomata are small pore-like structures which help the plant to exchange the gases. Okay, coming for the fourth question. Next question. What is the food prepared by plant called? After completion of the complete food preparation, what is the food called as? Listen and understand the question carefully, then we can see and go for the options. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, glucose, and photosynthesis. I received the option 4 from Charvi, Akshay and Yatish. And only Ritesh is the person who is saying it is glucose. Okay. Let me clarify you children. You may thinking it is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but a process of converting the water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight into glucose. It is a process, children. Here the question is, what is the food prepared by plant called? So that's why I'm asking you to understand the question carefully. Carbon dioxide is a gas used, oxygen it is a gas released. The confusion here is between glucose and photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a process which it undergoes to prepare a food. But completion of the food, they're asking the name of the completion. Sai Swaroop, you didn't wrote the notes. I clearly can understand with your wrong answer. Here the option I'm choosing is glucose. Let's check it out. No. Let's ask her to show the answer. What is the food prepared by the plants called? I think this is wrong, but please keep answer as glucose, children. Glucose is the correct answer. Oxygen is not the correct answer, children. Glucose is the correct answer. This plant has its leaves reduces to spines. See the question, children. This plant has its leaves reduces to spines. Spines are nothing but, I told the meaning of spines. Small, what we say, needle-like, thorns we can say. Few people are telling it is cactus. Okay, let's keep an option cactus and submit it. Yes, children, cactus is the correct answer. Spines are nothing but thorns, which we can see on only cactus plants. Okay, children, let's go. We have another question remaining here. Let's go for the last question. This is really a big question, Nana. The slices of bread were left in a sealed box for 2 weeks. When it was open, it has a green or blue fuzz all over it. What do you think is this fuzz made of? If you keep the leftovers, it might be a bread or it might be even a food also, children. If you leave your lunch box for about 2 weeks without opening it, you'll definitely see green color or a dark blue color furry-like thing is present on the leftover food if you didn't disturb it. What is it made of? What do you think it is? A small dots, type of cheese, mold, or a tiny insect? Guess something, children. You can guess something else. What do you think? Just they are asking, what do you think is the fuzz made of? You have to answer, children. Wow, Sai Swaroop is telling it is cheese. Oh. Can I ask one question, children? If for suppose this is the situation we are facing, you have kept 2 bread slices in a box and you have covered it and kept aside for about 2 weeks. It has green or blue fuzzy like all over formed. Is that you think it is a cheese and you'll eat it? Is that a blue color or black color fuzz is cheese? Will you eat that cheese, children? Okay, even though they have kept an option cheese, okay, let's submit and let's check. Cheese, it's not a cheese. If it is a cheese, everyone will prepare the cheese at house only. It is mold. It is nothing but a mold, children. It is a fungus. We should not eat it. Never, never, we should not eat it. The fungus will be formed when it is closed. Okay, out of 6, we have completed this task, children. Let's show me your scorecard. We have only scored 3 out of 3. Very bad, very bad. So poor. You have to be a developer. Even though I think new students has joined the class, and due to that confusion or disturbance, they may not answer the questions properly. But it's okay. It's okay, children. I have kept you the classwork. You can please refer it and you can make a note of it. And please read that so you can be clear all these questions out of out. Okay, children, let's go for the second Roman. The entire tick the correct answer segment has been completed. And now we are moving for fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, children. Leaves use dash and dash to make food. These are the fill in the blanks. You only have to write it, children. Send me the answer. Send me the answers. Please use dash and dash to make food. Okay, someone are telling carbon dioxide. Okay, let me type. Carbon dioxide and water. Yeah, Yatish is telling it's water. Sunlight. Your Sai Swarup is telling sunlight. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. Okay, let's submit and check the answer. It's telling it's wrong. The way we will, chlorophyll is also needed. It is, even though present in the leaf itself, it needs. Note it down, children. Note the fill in the blank. Leaves use sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll to make food. Charvik, what are you looking at? Write at your book. Open your book and write it. Okay, children, this is the answer for the first blank. And coming to the second one, the process in which plant use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is known as. Amrita, reply it, darling. What are you waiting for? Sahasra, Amreen, Shrikar, Charan, Neeraj, why are you late to class? Sharon also, Sri Sharon also has been late to class today. Once again, I'm repeating the question, children. The process in which plants use sunlight to convert water, carbon dioxide into food is known as. The process in which plants use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is known as. Yes, children, you have replied me, this photosynthesis. Okay, let me submit and check it out. Yes, children, it is the correct answer. The process in which plants use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called as photosynthesis. Please make a note, children. Please make a note in your textbooks. Okay. Let's move on to the third question. Let's move on to the third question, children. Let's move on to the third question. A series of organisms where each is dependent on the next as a source of food is referred to. This is the topic we had covered in interdependent of animals and plants, children. In the topic, if you have a textbook, children, please go to the topic of interdependence between animals and plants. In that, you can cover this. A series of organisms where each is dependent on the next as a source of food is referred to. Yes, children, someone has texted me. No, it's wrong answer. Sai Swarup, carbon dioxide is not the correct answer. Okay, even though why should we go? Okay, let me write what you think. Let's check it out whether it is carbon dioxide or not. Let's submit and check. No, it is a wrong answer, children. Let's have a view about the correct one. It is called a food chain. In the topic of interdependence, we just saw that every animal, every human being will be depending on the others. The linkage of a chain. We have told an example also. I hope you remember, children. From the plants will be eaten by some of the animals like rabbits, and rabbit will be eaten by some of the carnivorous animals like lions, tigers and all. So the chain process will be continued. The energy will flow. So that chain process is called as the food chain. Please make a note, children. Make a note of that fill in the blank. Okay, children, let's move on to the fourth question. The Venus dash is an insectivorous plant. You have to complete the name of the plant, children. Go through the textbook, revise it once. The Venus dash is an insectivorous plant. We learned in the topic of different type of plants. Beneath the interdependence of plants, you can see the Venus dash is an insectivorous plant. Refer it, children, or else for your sake, I'll just go to the page. See, Venus dash is a plant. Here you can find the spelling also, children. Venus flytrap. You can see it on the page number 114. There is an answer for the fill in the blank in page number 114, children. The Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap is the correct answer, children. Please make a note in your textbooks. You can have a look at page number 114 if you have a doubt of it. Please refer the page number 114. Yatish, very good. Yes, children. Ritesh, Yatish, Sai, Swaroop, Sahasra, good going, children. Let's go for the last blank. Dash and dash get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. The same page you'll have the answer. In the page number 114, you'll have the answer for this blank, children. Dash and dash get their food from dead and decaying plants. I told that these plants do not have a chlorophyll pigment. That's why they are not green in color. That's a clue for you, children. Plants which are not green in color. Plants which are not green in color. Yes, children, someone told it is a mushroom. Yes, let's check it out. And yes, mushrooms and yes, fungi. Okay, let's check, children. Sai Swarup, good going, Bangaru. They have given it as wrong. Oops. Let's check the answers. Moulds and mushrooms. Not fungi, even though fungi, it is not comes under the plant, children. It also grows on a dead and decaying plant, but moulds. Moulds is the correct answer. And I told you to remember when we start in the form of a sentence, the first word of a sentence, the first letter should be in capital. Even though we type it as a small also, it doesn't recognize, children. It shows us wrong because the framing of the entire sentence will be wrong if we start a sentence with a small case alphabet. Okay, let's see our scorecard. We have completed the task 2, children. Tomorrow, let's go for task C, a Roman C. This concept map we'll do by tomorrow, children. I hope you completed the task. You wrote it on your term books. Tomorrow, let's discuss about the concept map and the short answer type questions. See you in the tomorrow's class, children.